What's your name?
Aragon, but most people call me Strider.
Boromir.
My name is Sam.
My name is Gandalf.
I'm Frodo.
What did you think when Gandalf told you about the ring's capabilities?
Honestly, I was nervous about my willpower. After seeing what the ring did to Bilbo, it was almost terrifying.
Why did you join the Fellowship?
Well, Gandalf is an old friend of mine. He asked a favor of me, so I followed through.
Well, I told everyone that I was already going in the same direction and I would be of help. That wasn't the real truth though. I wanted the ring so badly.
Would you consider Frodo as your best friend?
Yeah, I'd pretty much do anything for him.
What were you doing at the inn where you met up with the Fellowship?
I had already planned to meet them there. It wasn't a coincidence. I had been following them for days.
Why were you eavesdropping on Frodo and Gandalf's conversation?
I was curious on what my friend and that old man was talking about. I wanted to see if they were going on an adventure or not before I could join.
When you first sent Frodo on his journey, were you worried about his willpower?
Of course, I knew he could accomplish this task. Maybe not alone, but with companions.
Why did you decide to take the ring to Mordor rather than keep it for yourself?
Because I knew that if I had kept it, Sauron would have eventually found me and done everything he could have to get the ring from me.
How did you feel when you first came across a Black Rider?
It was one of the most terrifying, bone-chilling feelings I've ever felt in my entire life. It felt like they were looking for me, searching for me, even smelling for the ring.
I was definitely scared and had a chilling presence.
How do you feel about the ring?
The ring is the most powerful force in our world. If it falls into the wrong hands, our world will crumble.
As soon as I saw it, I fell in love. I would do anything to get it from Frodo.
I feel like it's dangerous. I'm glad it wasn't my possession.
I've heard many stories about the ring. It truly is a great source of evil. I have faith that Frodo will destroy the ring and save our world.
Come here, buddy. Come here. Buddy, come here. Come here, Badowski. Oh my god. You know what I'm
Okay, go.
to.
Just go.
What's your name?
And I would be off. And I'd want to... What? Shit!
Eventually, wait, did I say that right?
That wasn't the real truth, though.